Good afternoon. It's our afternoon update. It is September the 12th. Important day because we had a crop report come out today. The crop report at 11 o'clock that came out was considered mostly negative, especially for cotton and soybeans. Somewhat negative for corn, although not much reaction there. I'll give you some of the breakdown of the numbers quickly in a second after we look at where we're closing. Cotton down 240 in December at 66.68 with a high of 69.11 and a low of 66.51. Soybeans down 16 and a quarter at 9.64 with a high of 9.90 and a low of 9.58 and three quarters. Corn down a penny and a half at 3.39 and a half with a high of 3.34 and a quarter and a low of 3.35 and a half. Wheat up 5 at 4.08 and a half with a high of 4.10 and a low of $4. Looking at the crop report, corn production came in at 15.09 billion bushels. Expectations on that number were for 14.974. The yield came out at 174.4. They thought it would be closer to 172.9. Carryout was raised to 2.384. Expectations were for 2.322. Corn was down a penny before the report, and it's closing down a penny and a half, so not a lot of reaction there, although it did sell off more at one point. Soybeans, production of 4.2 billion bushels. Expectations were for 4.1. Yield came out at 50.60 bushels per acre. They thought it would be 49.4. Carryout was changed to 365 million bushels. They thought it would be 333. Negative market there. Soybeans were up 7.5 before the report, and then at one point got down 16 to 17, and even traded lower. I think we were down around 21 to 22 at one point. We're closing down 16 and a quarter at 9.64, and so the reaction of the market was from up 7.5 to down 16 or 17. And that's for soybeans. Wheat up 5. No real reactions there. They're closing about where they were when the report came out. Cotton production came out at 16.14. It surprised people. They thought it would be closer to 16. Ending stocks were moved to 4.9 million bales. They thought that number would be closer to 442. Cotton was down 39 when the report came out. It quickly moved to where it was down 160. Then at one point, I think it was down about 250 to 255, and it's closing pretty close to that, down 240. Looking around the board, cotton's down 28, crude oil's up 36 cents a barrel, gold is down $3 an ounce, silver's down 24 cents an ounce, and the Dow Jones right now is up 205 points. That is it for the day. Have a good evening, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.